AgriNovus is working to showcase Indiana's unparalleled ag bioscience talent and innovation and the countless stories of those leading the way within Indiana's growing $16 billion industry. The convergence of multiple disciplines and industries within Indiana is just right for the purpose of advancing food production, which is very unique. And what AgriNovus does is it brings these people together with a common vision. We all want to address food insecurity, increase food production, and this knowledge group of people has probably been the best source of talent that we could even find in the state. And it's perfect timing as the need for innovative solutions is more and more important. The growing global population and associated food shortage becomes a big threat that needs attention. So a tremendous opportunity exists for our state, the individuals, the businesses and universities and investors who see Indiana as the primary catalyst in both traditional and non-traditional food production. Our story, Heliponics, is one example of how technology is transforming the agriculture industry by finding new ways to deliver value within different subsectors. This sector is truly bursting with cutting-edge technology, science, and research from genetics, biologics, to artificial intelligence, robotics, sensors, and even digital imagery. I encourage viewers to take just a few minutes to experience a variety of the truly innovative and cutting-edge approaches to science, research, and technology. It is all happening right here.